Jai Sri Gurudev. Good morning, children. So, in previous class, I had taught you Unit 15, the poem The Cobbler. And I sent the question and answers PDF with textbook exercises to you. I hope you will complete it very soon. And after that, next I will send the message for you to prepare for unit test lesson number 14. Okay, so today I am going to teach you the unit 16 story in Eskimo land. Open your textbook page number 117 and underline words also have to underline. So take a pencil and be ready for lesson. Children, I will very soon send you the message for unit test. Again I want to repeat you. Read the question paper thoroughly. Page number I think unit 14 unit test I will send you. Okay. Prepare for unit test. So let's get started the story in Eskimo land. No houses made of bricks and cement. No roads. No summer heat. No trees. No cars. How would you like to live in a place which had none of these things? Only snow and ice wherever you look. A land so covered with snow and ice that it looks like a frozen desert. This is the land of the Eskimos. The Eskimo live in Greenland very close to the North Pole. It is extremely cold for 4 months of the year. This region is dark all the time. Eskimos is an American Indian word which means eaters of raw meat. But they do not use the word Eskimo while speaking of themselves. They use the term Inuit. Eskimos usually live a wandering life. Their summer houses are tents made of sealskin. In winter, they live in dome-shaped houses called igloos, which are made out of large blocks of ice. These houses look like round bowls placed upside down. A long, narrow tunnel leads into the house. Now, children, I will explain to you about this page, 3 paragraph. Okay. So, first, no houses made of bricks and cement means, see, children, we are usually living our surrounding all houses made by bricks, cement, and road also there, and summer season heat, and so many trees our surrounding we can observe to take the breath or fresh oxygen. Okay. And no cars, no vehicles. You are coming, someone coming by bus, vehicles, bike, motorcycle, cycle, yes. But there, nothing is there. How would leave the place? Nothing is there, everything. Only snow. Snow means when our ice, water will become too much, 0 degree, minus 0 degree less, that one become ice. So that temperature are there all over the season. A land so covered with snow and ice, all time snow, you know children, snow and ice, that it looks like a frozen desert. Frozen desert means like a desert covered with trees, plants, mud, everything, but there nothing is there, only frozen. Frozen means that frozen 0 degree, that which on the temperature are called frozen. Okay. Next, this is the land of Eskimos. Who lived there? Eskimos lived that people. Eskimos who? Now I will explain to you. The Eskimos live in Greenland very close to the North Pole. Our earth have 2 poles, North Pole and South Pole. We are living in South Pole, but North Pole means whole year, 365 days they are covered with ice and snow. Okay, that pole. It is extremely cold for 4 months of the year. Too much cold for 4 months. Remaining months, 8 months are medium. This region is dark all the time. Their sunlight will not go that side. All time dark will cover that area. Eskimos is an American Indian word which means eaters of raw meat. Eskimo name given by American Indian word. This one American and India both together given that name. That meaning is eaters raw meat. They are eating raw meat. Raw meat means they not cook that food, means meat, animal flesh. They are directly eating that one. So that meaning is Eskimo. But they do not use the word Eskimo while speaking themselves. They don't use that one. They are used Inuit. Okay. Usually Eskimos live in wandering life. Their life is very wandering. How? Now you can understand. Okay. Their summer houses tents made by seal. Seal one animal, water animal. Their skin only they made the summer season tent. And winter season, their house like a turn around that bowl, no, that opposite to that turn the place, that bowl shape, one house, that name is igloos, which made of large block of ice. So large block of ice, they made that one. These houses look like round bowls, one bowls placed upside down, means opposite upside down, then that shape. Did you see the picture, igloo's picture? How that shape, that bowl kept down. A long narrow tunnel leads into the house. One tunnel is there, front side. Did you see the tunnel? Next children, turn that page number 118. They crawl into their houses. It is very warm inside an igloo. The insides of walls are covered with thick animal skin. Eskimos hunt animals for their flesh and fur. They also hunt fish. In winter, they live on the flesh of seals and walruses. Their flesh is often eaten raw. The fat from these animals is used for making oils to light their lamps, and their skins are used to make clothes. This is the way to Eskimos kills a seal. First, he makes a hole in the ice and lies down to wait till a seal comes up for some air. As soon as it comes up, he kills it with a spear called harpoon. Eskimos use canoes called kayaks. They are made of light wood with a hole in the middle, big enough for a man to see it. As the land is covered with snow and ice, Eskimos use sledges drawn by dogs to move from place to place. In spring, the snow melts in the lower parts along the coasts. Then the ground is covered with beautiful flowers. Eskimo life is much different today. Most of them live in towns or small settlements. They wear modern clothing and eat food purchased from stores. Okay children, now I will explain to this page to you. So their house also different. That inside the igloo are very warm. Why warm? Because they are using the animal skin to cover the house inside. How we are covered our inside the house? With sand that mason come and make our build with cement, bricks, sand, cement, colors, etc., etc. But for them nothing is there, only animal skins only they can get. No shop, no market, nothing, no trees. Only everywhere surrounding by ice and snow. So Eskimos hunt what? Animals. Only they can eat food for only what? Things? Animals, and sometimes fish. They are what animals? Seals and walruses. There are two types of frozen desert animals, children. Their flesh is often eaten raw. The fat is these animals used for make the oil to light their lamp. There are no light, no current, so they are using the animal fat to light their lamp. Okay, and their skins used for make clothes. This is the way Eskimos kill seal. How they kill the seal animal? See, first they will make the hole in the ice lies down to wait till seal comes up to. So in that hole the seal come to up to take the air. In that time they will kill them with harpoon, sharp spear. That name is harpoon. Did you see the picture? One iron rod type, that name is harpoon. Okay. Eskimos use canoes called kayaks. Kayaks what, children? Kayaks means one type of their moving place, sorry, one type of vehicle, not vehicle, that one type of vehicle they will use. Kayaks, they are made of light wood, that is made light wood, whole middle, big enough for a man, one man can sit, and they move one place to another place. As the land is covered with snow and ice, Eskimo sledges drawn by dogs. Dogs will take them, see the picture, dogs will take place one place to another place to them. Okay. Next, in spring, the snow melts in the lower parts along the coast. Their ground is covered with beautiful flowers. Some places in spring season, when the ice are melt, they can see the beautiful flowers. Next, children, Eskimos' life is very different today. Now they are changing their lifestyle. Now they are going to town side and small settlement the town, and they are using to purchase food from the stores. Now compared than before, now they improve their lifestyle. Next, children, 119 page. Instead of kayaks and dog sledges, they use motorboats and snowmobiles. Many Eskimos now work for wages. The Eskimos who live in northern Greenland still follow the traditional life. Although many changes have occurred since their ancestors first arrived in North America, there are almost 120,000 Eskimos still living in the far north. Okay, children? Now I explain this page to you. So now, before they are using kayaks and sledge, dog sledge, but now their lifestyle change. They are using motorboats and snowmobiles to move one place to another place. Now the Eskimos are going for wages to earn the money, to going for work. They are not living in that same place. Eskimos now northern Greenland follow the tradition. Some Eskimos are living same that old lifestyle. Although many changes have occurred since ancestors first arrived in North America. Those who are means ancestor means their father before they are North America. There are almost how many? 120,000 Eskimos still living in far north. Still now not far north living 120,000 Eskimos same place. Okay. Now children, you have to do what? You have to learn the new words. Page number 119. Here Eskimos, extremely, region, American Indian, raw, wandering, sealskins meanings are there, children. You have to learn the new words. And next, turn the next page. Next page also 120. Some new words are there. You have to learn properly. Dome-shaped, crawl, walrus, canoe, sledge, snowmobile, wedge, and sister. Okay, so these are the new words or meaning of this story. And next, children, I will send you the question answer PDF. You have to complete and be ready for unit test. Okay, this is the last lesson of your English textbook. I hope you all can understand, children. Bye.